that makes almost simplest things made of shapes and straws seem amazing.
Expo and Art and Crafts Exhibition 2023-24. It was really excellent, especially ICREAS. Next level it is, because of children did very well it is.
ഞാൻ ഇത്രയും എക്സ്പെക്റ്റ് ചെയ്തില്ല. സോ വളരെ റിയലിസ്റ്റിക് ആയിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ, പിന്നെ പ്രോജക്റ്റ് വർക്ക്, പിന്നെ വർക്കിംഗ് മോഡൽസ്, സ്റ്റിൽ മോഡൽസ് എല്ലാം വളരെ നല്ല ഒരു ഫീഡ്ബാക്ക് തന്നെയാണ് എൻ്റെ ഭാഗത്തു നിന്ന്.
It was an opportunity for many of the kids to express their talents in various forms through science models, through art and through even cooking. So it was a wonderful experience for all of us.
I am really surprised and amazed to see the hanging artwork, that the lockets, the pictures, and all the artwork. They are all excellently made, created, and the appreciation and the congratulations, the credits goes to our teachers and the students of Creative Lab. Congratulations, my dear.
Was a really good experience for us. We enjoyed to the fullest. We were able to display our ideas, our creative thoughts to it. We got a chance to display our talents that we have worked for the past year. It was a really good experience, and we are thanking the school for giving us a chance to display our talents.